Morning, it's 6:55 on Wednesday, the 31st of October. That's UK time. And I'm about to go through what happened yesterday, what is what we had planned, and my plan for today. These were my scenarios for yesterday. Scenario 1 in blue, test lower, for continuation higher. And scenario 2, test higher for continuation lower to the 373 area or 380 area. Prior week's low and just a bit below that. In the LVN at 373 area. So that's what it was. And on the test up, somewhere around the 445 area. Kind of level with the closing range high. Okay, so this is what happened. We have scenario 2. We didn't get as low as 373 and we didn't get as high as the 44 area. So the range was very compressed, about 45 points. Or a bit more. 50 points, 49 points. Extremely slow day with the volume was, I think, a low 161,000 contracts. Balanced day, I was expecting it at all points to extend the range lower, but it just kept balancing and two-way trade. It was a trend up until midday that followed kind of the sell-off from the end of Monday evening, which then decided to just finish the day balancing, chopping. And opportunities to get in. There was this mid test here, which took forever. And then there was the open test of the open around here, which overshot it by a few ticks, like 8, and continued lower. Okay. So what's the plans for today? Plans for today. Okay, we did close on top of the VPOC for the area back in April 2017, where we're currently trading the VPOC off. So we closed right at it. It's the open, 7 o'clock. And the scenarios for today, for me, are just as follows. Scenario 1 is a open auction, test higher to here or possibly the 404 area here. Which is this HVN of the previous day's profile. We're already selling off. And then extend lower to this LVN areas for a bounce, and then on the way down we quickly drift down to 347 and at the lowest 336, and then return up in the afternoon. That's my scenario 1. Scenario 2, it's just open and sell off to 347 and then 336, and then there's a gap area down below. That's 305. And that's my scenario 2, kind of a trend down day. Scenario 3 is open, test lower to 373 LVN, MCLVN. This area, there's 2 LVNs here, one is on the daily, the other one is on the composite. And then the continuations to the upside. Test of the value area low, VPOC, then the VPOC here and the value area high. Valid value areas because it's extremely balanced day yesterday. And on the upside, take out the high, previous day high, and at the high end of the range I expect to get to this 44 area. So that's my scenario 3. For today, and that is all, and we'll do it again tomorrow.